Hi, I'm Dr. Nathan Faulkner. I'm here at the Spine and Total Joint Center at Skyridge, and we're excited to announce the start of a Shoulder Center of Excellence program. We've assembled some of the region's leading surgeons and healthcare specialists to really provide excellent care for our shoulder patients here at Skyridge. The shoulder surgeons we've assembled to be a part of this program all have dedicated fellowship training in shoulder replacement surgery. The objectives of this program are to really provide excellent care, to facilitate our patients getting back to more normal activities more quickly, to have an opioid-free experience, and to use state-of-the-art technology such as 3D patient-specific instrumentation to optimize long-term outcomes. As you know, the Spine and Total Joint Center has a long and outstanding reputation for being a place of excellence for outcomes, patient satisfaction, and quality care. And that's one of the reasons we're so excited to be starting this program here at Skyridge. When patients come to the Spine and Total Joint Center for a shoulder replacement, they'll be met by a dedicated preoperative surgical team that has been trained on how to take care of shoulder surgery patients. During that experience, you will also meet an anesthesiologist who has specific training in regional nerve blocks to help optimize the pain control after this type of operation. Patients requiring a shoulder replacement because of arthritis or an irreparable rotator cuff tear are often, in their 60s to 70s, sometimes in their 80s. They often complain of a deep, achy pain along with limited range of motion, making it difficult to do daily activities such as getting dressed, reaching into cupboards, or even playing sports. We don't just take care of patients who have arthritis, but many patients who are involved in sports, maybe fall off a mountain bike or a tennis injury and have what's called a rotator cuff tear or maybe a shoulder dislocation. All of our shoulder surgeons are trained at taking care of those injuries as well. We're very proud and excited to be the only shoulder center of excellence in the Denver metro area.